思路比慢点。
对对对。
Zhang Xiaochen, a student in the Urban Management Department of Beijing City University, had already fallen in love with an art form known as Foley Sound before she enrolled. Her first winter vacation in 2014 was to be a most unusual one. This is a Foley studio located in P Village, Beijing. Zhang Xiaochen will spend her vacation here, taking part in the Foley sound production for a Mongolian film. In fact, Zhang is not yet a Foley artist. A year ago, Zhang became Wei Junhua's apprentice. During the semester, she comes here every weekend to study Foley sound effects. Her Foley work on this film will be the first time she's put this knowledge to practice. 5 years ago, after retiring from the Beijing film studio, Wei and her husband set up this studio. However, the two of them have been in the industry for more than 30 years, and they've worked on many distinguished film and television productions. Directors such as Chen Kage and Fang Xiaogang consider Wei to be a national treasure. She's known as the leading northern-style Foley artist. Having chanced upon a television program about Wei, Zhang fell for the art of Foley sound and dreamt of one day becoming a Foley artist herself.
学校最近怎么样？
挺好的，因为刚放假嘛，
是吧？
考完试。
考试考得怎么样？最关心的。
还没出分呢。
没出分呢。
自我感觉总是良好。
总是良好，良好就行。咱们这回放假了，再踏实下来。
Initially, Wei Junhua refused to accept Zhang as an apprentice. Foley art requires life experience, and it requires a knowledge of how to find suitable sounds. It's also physically tiring, so most girls find it hard to see it through to the end. Zhang's persistence, however, finally changed Wei's mind.
导那个亮一点。
Wei's husband Gao Shiyi worked as an administrator at Beijing Film Studio. Later, influenced by Wei, he too took up Foley.
慢了是吧？再拿一下，亮了，晚了。
Foley refers to the sounds needed in films and TV shows, simulated through the use of various props. For example, 2 plungers can replicate the sound of galloping horse hooves.
比方这匹马跑，停在我的面前。 缰绳一拉缰绳，这匹马，这时候马其实不要飘，一定要实。我给你演示一遍。
Zhang has practiced horse hooves for quite some time, so she can participate in the production of this Mongolian film. The day she arrives in P Village, Wei takes time out to check and correct the problems that Zhang encountered during her practice.
就像画一句号一样。这个是蹲第一，是一个最艰苦的功课。把衣服脱了，把帽子戴上，好好练。
Wei Studio is currently facing its busiest period of the year. Most film and television production companies choose the end of the year for post-production Foley work, so work is now piling up at the studio. The Mongolian film that Zhang is about to start work on is part of this pile, but fortunately there's no pressing deadline. Gao often uses the internet to send completed Foley files to clients.
这次你呢，也要下厨房。我们老的电视厂培养这个逆音师的时候呢，有可能你来了以后，你先给大家烧水，至少你知道这灌水生水和熟水的声音是什么样子的，就是先从深入生活入手。
A few of the apprentices live under the same roof as Wei. Here they study Foley sound while helping to turn a profit for the studio. Most of the young people here have given up their former jobs because they like the Foley profession, but there aren't many who truly have the talent for it. But there are some who, once they've grasped the techniques, strike out on their own.
有倒好了，快点喝，你吃你的，这个太多了，酸的慌。
他这水还有多少斤？
还有15呢，哎，是吧？
是那个谁问来的，就是苗青那个，问能不能完，节钱。这边人他急着要合成了，还剩136集，还有14天。
不算名了，
不算名，
从后说。名这个活儿就完了，按这么说呢。
哎，但是咱这阵儿还不能松劲儿看样子，136集还有，该订票订票29号，至少你30晚上得到家呀。那天不是说你能订到晚上9点钟，不是6点钟。
It's almost Chinese New Year, but the studio won't take a break until the day before New Year's Eve.
干活了啊！
When Wei discovered that Zhang had a feel for creating the sound of horses' hooves, she began training her specifically on this. She benefited greatly from her exposure to music at an early age.
打马蹄的时候，其实是会想了很多的音乐，就是特别喜欢听歌、唱歌什么的，可能那种节奏感在里面。这马蹄毕竟，就是这种感觉的东西，跟音乐还是挺相关的，起码会不乱。我刚开始最早学唱歌就是为什么考级呀、演个出啊、比个赛呀。后来可能不断的成长之后，就会觉得唱歌这个东西是一种感情上的一种表达。就后来慢慢就成为我生活中的一部分。就是我高兴的时候我会唱这种歌曲，不高兴会唱这种歌曲。然后其实这就是对声音的一种敏感性。就是我知道在什么样的情况下，比如说这个演员他表演的这个情绪是悲伤的，那他走路的时候，他会带上那种情绪去走路。那我怎么去拿捏这种声音的度？我觉得我有这种感觉，我觉得这种感觉是很难得的。之所以迷恋这个东西，我觉得是因为我能在这个上面有成就感，就是我能够找到，哎，我觉得很痛快的一种感觉。
Zhang learns that the studio had taken on a Mongolian film with a lot of horse riding scenes, so she did her utmost to be involved. Wei gave it a lot of thought and finally agreed to let her give it a go.
逆音师在人与动物之间找这个基本感觉，马的奔跑呢和这个它的一些环节上的东西，它和人物的情绪是一样的，它很快就能抓住。我觉得它的悟性到位。首先说，我选择了它。
Zhang has waited for this opportunity for a long time. Prior to working on the Mongolian film, she had to continuously study and practice various ways of recreating the sound of horse hooves.
我们这制片人呀，都是发一短信，哎呀，微信没完的，就一串一串的。 你告诉他说这个一两天就完了，他这个是不明的催，实际上也是在积极的催哈。
Because time for production is extremely tight, all the apprentices are spending over 10 hours each day in this sealed room.
我们到后期的时候都是这样赶。我在传媒大学里讲课的时候，我总讲这个，一定要按照电影电视的生产工艺，作为一个导演也好，一个创作人员也好，你一定要遵守时间。你不按照这生产规律走，比方你给后期留的时间那么短。那等于就是这个萝卜长得挺好，没洗泥就进了缸子，那就不行。
人家管那电视剧叫电视快餐，不叫电视剧，很快就做完，马上就有播放，老板才能赚钱。
又开始了啊！
Work on the Mongolian film, the exact starting time of which has never been agreed on, has been postponed due to the backlog of television dramas. In about 10 days, it'll be Chinese New Year. After lunch, John goes out with Wei to buy supplies for the new year.
一杯4块钱啊！你仔细过前听他扒拉时候那声音，你听，你听啊，这是很抛的一个声音，是吧？
行，我待会儿我这吃饭我就给你打电话啊。
The Foley profession has always been made up of masters teaching their apprentices. Apart from teaching technique, they spend a lot of time teaching them how to collect sounds and various props.
这个怎么听声音呀？
哎，对，没有，他去感受这个声音做出来是什么样的啊？哎，你这样和了一个听。
对，电撑干。
我想要那个
圆的是吧？
对，
那圆的只有山上那有。这个你要吗？这给你送你好了。
现在给你
看看，拿来我看看。
这个送你。
哇，太好看。
这个我们不用，我们就用这一个就够。你要是
一个就够了。
给你一个。
那喜欢就拿走呗。
多不好意思啊！
哎呦，没事，送给你了。
谢谢。新的一年快乐！
哎，好了，谢谢阿姨。谢谢阿姨，谢谢。
P Village is located outside of Beijing's northeastern 5th Ring Road, close to the airport. The house prices and cost of living here are relatively low, and Wei took the cheap costs into consideration when she set up her studio here.
我没去。买了水果，买了瓜子儿，还给咱一个筐子，这就是咱走到哪儿，这拾到哪儿。 啊！今天是意外的收获，对我们来说又搜到了一个宝贝。北方这东西很少见，它这都是南方的产物。比方说这藤的那轿子。 你仔细听那声音，我已经跟他要了好几次了。他今天呢，他高兴了，他给我了。买这么一个，他还你知道，你买一新的，他不出声，还就要这旧的。他可能是割了一茬又一茬，这算是第一茬，搁整齐了。你洗的时候切的时候也好切啊。这个7块钱一斤，
便宜还是贵？
你说呢？
便宜，
便宜，
贵。
哎，现在这菜什么价了都，你看。
Even straw used to bundle vegetables finds a use.
搁就先搁这沙发上，这车就支着。
After dinner, some of Wei's relatives pay her a visit.
这个少晨，沏点水喝啊。
Making tea for visitors and tidying up the kitchen are compulsory as a new apprentice.
齐了，今年。
In the industry, the Foley artist is just like the green leaves that set off the beauty of the red flower. The leaves are essential.
平的时候还得提一点，不停的情绪，不同的听法，你要多练。你就是面对画面的时候，这是真格的时候，那你就一定要按照马的语言、马的动势、马的故事去做。不能往回收落回来，咔啦咔咔啦咔咔啦咔咔咔咔咔咔咔，还得起点洋范儿。
一会儿你再进去，到挪那车。
John spends time in the recording studio learning through observation.
行，那你也进去。这杀人。
With developments in digital technology over recent years, the traditional craft of the Foley artist has been transformed into an assembly line. The cost of digital synthesis is low, but when it comes to quality, realism and emotion, it simply can't compare. It's far inferior to the sound a Foley artist creates.
因为我们做的声音完全是感觉，数字你可以模拟很多声音，也有人曾经试验过那模拟器取一个样，把比方一个人走脚步的声音，他取一步或两步，然后他就总是在这个哒哒哒哒哒，就是走。但是我们配音的时候，这个人走脚步了，有深有浅。 我们配的不是这个人，是这个人的神情的情绪，所以说这个电子的东西它是不能代替的。有的人就是说只要便宜，你有个声儿就得了，我也不考虑质量，只要便宜就行。但是呢，就这种损害这个电视制作的质量的这个下降，这也非常令人担忧。
Beijing currently has about 1,000 small workshops dealing with film and TV post-production, and because it's easy to get into, it attracts a lot of newcomers. But this forces the price of the industry lower and lower. Those who really know their craft don't take on such jobs. Way Studio has a floor space in excess of 2,000 square metres. But as the studio's work hasn't grown to the scale that she envisaged, most of the space remains unused. In the second half of 2013, Wei leased a part of the workshop to a newly established international trade company by becoming a shareholder. The space is about to be redecorated.
大家都睡了吗？
Today, the trade company in which Wei has shares will hold its final meeting of the year.
"第一项呢，我们现在讨论的是，就是公司的营业执照、刻章、名片印制、logo、图像设计、公司章程，这是我刚刚拿到的。就咱们公司呢，虽然是个新成立的公司，但是我们的方向未来是走国际化，就是多种经营的一个方向。然后呢，主营业务呢是国际贸易。国际贸易的主业呢，我们目前前期呢以奶粉为主，接下来我们可能要做工艺、木材。 钢材进出口，矿物产品，这个是我们可能要做的。还有一个就是这个海洋网。这个地方呢，是个人杰地灵的地方，未来呢是个发展蓬勃的好地方。 我们找到魏老师家这个地方呢，也许真的是为我们未来的公司的发展带来大的财运。争取，所以我们信心百倍。虽然是吃个便饭，但是呢，也表达一下心情，就是在2014年，祝大家大展宏图，红红火火，马到成功，身体健康，家庭幸福，好不好？好，谢谢。
很艰难的大家为我们收听，然后 收编以后，可能大家会更好。就是说，我们过了春节以后，可能就要面临装修了。装修完了以后呢，那么就是可能会打扰到你们。完了以后，这边有新进一些工作人员，然后希望大家就是能那个体谅一下啊。这边可能有一点扰民，完了再一个就是每个人的生活习惯啊什么不太一样，但是我觉得我们要求大同存享。
我认为就是一个互相包容、和睦相处。这样，大家也给大家提供一个足够的施展才华的一个空间和舞台。
你们这个优呢？你把钱交给我告诉点，最公平。
100万，指不定知不知道好呢。
那你们管我拿1000我治的
你看这里边嘛，就是一看就是这个内蒙古的草原上的马。
After lunch, Wei and Zhang analyze some segments in the Mongolian film which need Foley sound effects.
还喘气儿。
有喷鼻儿，哇，你看，这是一个邋遢的马，这马不能走，这叫生马，知道吗？这个马在夸完音刨的时候，那就是很愣的声音。这老牛头啊，扔到那桌子上，吭嘡一下子，那一定要出点那个肉的感觉啊，就是既有重量，还要有这个牛头那个，它是一个活的头嘛，卸下来的啊。这里边戏的马蹄儿一定要有特点，有味道。
哇，这追马的时候，这带劲。
伦生哥，你好啊！哎呦，谢谢老同学的问候。我们这儿还忙呢，我们估计得29才能往回家赶呢，全都。对，新的一年咱们都快乐啊！身体棒棒的。
你这边你拿
好，就这样啊。那个群奖放的高，不是说他那什么。
那个别，你要是拿咱得白拿。
要不说往下给我跑慢点。
你。
放这儿啊，
对，放那儿。
The Foley workshop is about to close for the holiday. The studio didn't start post-production for the Mongolian film before the New Year's break, so Zhang will be able to return home one day earlier. She'll spend her break over the New Year collecting props for the sounds that appear in the Mongolian film, but with a lack of experience, this will be a major challenge. The director of a children's film arranges to meet with Wei, hoping that they can cooperate on his film, which has just wrapped filming. As an apprentice who has just joined the Foley art industry, Zhang is to make use of a holiday to continue practicing and refining the sound of horse hooves. And she also has to rely on her scant life experience to collect the props she'll use to create sounds in the Mongolian film.
做声音的。